Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Suzuki Swift Sports Hatch, stock reference number 4309. The shape runs from the 9th month 2004 through to the 2nd month 2011. It has an M16A 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. M16A 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the right hand side and the right hand front. We have the right hand fog light with surround, left hand fog light with surround. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left sill skirt, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light. Tailgate has one small dent on top. It's a spoiler type tailgate. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has only one small dent. Right hand sill skirt. Right power door mirror. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black and red cloth interior. It's got a black centre console, manual type, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack CD player with MP3, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and we have the rear headrests in black cloth. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.